Well, hello. I decided to come outside and do this video because it's so beautiful out here and I thought it would add to the aesthetics of the video. But that's not why I wanted to talk to you. So what I really want to talk to you is about big tech and how to unmarry your email from big tech. And what do I mean by that? Well, many of us have accounts like Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, things along those lines. All right. And when you do that, you're married to that particular company because you can't move your Gmail or Hotmail to any other email service provider. Why? Because you can't. And so when you've given your email out to thousands of people and companies, you're now kind of stuck with that email. If you decide to migrate to something else, it's a little bit more of a pain in the neck. So one of the things I recommend right now is getting yourself your own domain name. Now, this applies more to individuals than it does corporations because corporations already have their own domain name, such as, abc.com or whatever the case is, all right? So you should get your own email, like johnjames.com is fine. You can get that. And then what that does for you is you can go to any email provider and say, use this domain name when you service my email, so that it becomes john@johnjames.com or something like that. All right. So if you decide, the service is not good or you don't agree with their policies or anything of the sort, you could always move to another email provider and take your domain with you and tell the new email service provider to use this domain name. So it still maintains itself as john@johnjames.com. All right, even though it's a different email provider, but no one can see that. They just refer to you as, john@johnjames.com, and that's it. So that makes you unmarried to any particular one company, not even necessarily big tech, but a lot of us have big tech emails. So that's the first thing that you should do to protect yourself against any one company, especially big tech, if something should occur. All right? Thank you for watching.